So today I showed a $2.4 million house. I live in the DC area, which in our market is a lot of money. This house was extremely underwhelming. And quite frankly, I'm not really sure who's going to buy it. So we'll start with the kitchen. They had Formica countertops that looked like quartz, which would be unacceptable for this price house in our area. Then when we went down to the basement, they had like the lowest level laminate, kind of made to look like wood floors, like Pergo version 1. Like normally in the basement in these price homes, they do have the luxury vinyl plank flooring, which looks nice. You can't do real wood in the basement because they can't hammer into the concrete. So, and then in the kitchen, going back to the kitchen, the Viking refrigerator, which was nice, it wasn't, it didn't meet the cabinet. Like normally they're made so it's like built in, so it's even. There was like this huge gap on the top of it, and they didn't have the kick plate. So that was another thing. And then all the cabinets looked like IKEA level, and we looked inside, and there was like stickers on them, and they looked like they came from China. They weren't the level of cabinets that you would expect in a $2.4 million house. I don't know if this is a new build or this is their first build, but that's just not the quality that we expect in our market. So if you're buying a new construction home, definitely contact me. And there's so many other nicer homes in that price range with quality construction. So I'm gonna post a few photos or videos after this so you can really see what I'm talking about, and feel free to comment and let me know what you think.